Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.
In this video we are going to have a whole recap about the copywriting material. Now we'll just have a glance over the things and we'll just see some things that is actually going to help us and that we should remember while doing a copywriting. Firstly, learn internet skills, because nowadays internet is like in air. Everyone are being influenced from there. So first start from internet. Learn the internet skills and use it. Second most thing is write what you talk, because you believe, and I do believe that thing, that whatever you talk you should write that, because your product is you. So what you believe, you should let others believe that. You believe your trust, you believe, you trust your product, you let others trust it. So whatever you talk, whatever you do, write that thing. Don't give any fake material. Give the honest and the best you can. Third, build relationship by connecting through emotions, because everyone, a product, a customer are always connected with the emotion, with the desire. So always connect, always build a relationship with the help of emotions, and always try to connect yourself with your customer through emotion. Be in the shoe of your customer and try to understand his point of view also. Create a experience. Create an experience for your customers and share it to them. Storytelling is a way of this. So after buying your product also, let them create a very good, fantastic experience. And the next thing is, and the last thing is, call to action. That is our end result, letting them buy a product. So these are all the most important thing. Internet skill, write what you talk, build relationship through emotions, create a experience. Storytelling is the way of it, and let them create a good experience through your product, and let them take a action, that is CTA.